Welcome, everybody, to All Things Abacus. Thank you so much for joining. I hope that we are going to be pretty good. I hope everybody's well. How are we
Hello.
today? Hello.
We're good. Hey, Alyssa's right on time with us.
Yeah, I've got connections. No, I'm just kidding.
Yes, you do.
We should be also we should also see a new person. I'm not sure if she'll be able to join us. Her name is Kathy.
Well, I hope so, Kathy. I hope we get to see Kathy.
Yeah, me too.
So we'll see. I've been trying to keep an eye on both the chat for YouTube and for our Zoom. So Alyssa had a couple of questions and I answered it. Did you get a chance to see it?
Yes, I did. It was awesome.
Okay. Oh, good. Wait, I had the little videos as well to help you out.
Oh yes, that was awesome. And then and then you had the printout for the odd numbers.
Yes. Yep.
So,
And I also had a printout for the bonus questions. Did I not?
um,
No, I didn't. Okay.
no, I don't think so. I think you just kind of showed the JPEGs of the how you work the problem out,
Yes. And then there's a video with that too.
and there's a video too.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the reason why you only saw the three things is because I can only attach 4 items to any one comment. So if I'm going to add another comment, I would have to upload it. I would have to create a new comment in order to upload any more images. But the ones that we had, do you want to review it right now?
Oh yeah, that would be awesome.
I
Um,
kept the pages.
Okay, if you kept the pages, because I don't, I had the, I basically had done it off of Abram's Math with Confidence book, so I
Yeah,
can
that's
grab
okay.
I can grab that. But I have my abacus too as well.
Of
So
course, we all have to
yeah,
have our abacus.
yeah. I just liked how you explained everything,
Really?
and yeah, I did.
Okay. Okay. I
Yeah.
I I tried to be as explicit as possible, but I wasn't sure if it was too much information. Um, I don't know if it was too much information.
No, no. I thought it was good. Um,
Great.
Sometimes we have a feast and a famine with the abacus right now. It seems like, but so and I was working a little bit with the problems with Abram, but then we kept on messing up. Um,
Really? Like what?
well, I think when we were doing minusing the you go 72 and you minus the two, and then you have the five.
Yeah,
Um,
minus the 2. Yeah.
then okay, so then we did minus the nine.
Yeah.
So minus nine is that's the two step. That's the two step problem right there.
Yeah, exactly. This is another form of two-step.
Yeah, there we go. Um, I don't know if it was that problem, but we would accidentally take an extra 10 off, and then he had third. Let's see, instead of 40.
32? Interesting. Okay.
So yeah, he accidentally took because you're supposed to add the four. You know, you minus the five and you add the four in the tens place. Yeah, and then when we did the nine, we minus the,
One again?
the
Minus the 1
10.
plus.
We actually minus the 10, and then you're supposed to add the 1. So then we end up
Right.
having 33. Now I don't think 33 was the answer. It's supposed to be 43. So that's where we messed up.
So it's the problem is keeping track of the somebody liked the live. Keeping track of the numbers that you did. So
Yeah.
when we have 72 on the abacus,
Mm-hmm.
I use my fingers. I take away the 2. That's the red one, right?
Oh, you keep your fingers there.
Maybe that will help.
Okay.
And then I take away the 9. To take away the 9, right? you can plus the 1 first. So I plus the 1 and I minus the 10. So I take away the 10. Well, I can't take away the 10. Then I go over here. Minus the 5 plus the 4.
There we go. Okay, yes, 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 yes.
Did that help?
Yes, it did. I just probably raised that. Yeah, I see where your finger is. Yes, that made a difference.
Yeah. Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes it's just helpful to be tracking what we're doing.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, because see, that's where you had to do the 2-step right there. You had to minus the 5 and add the 4. Then
But that's it.
And then you
Yeah.
kept your finger there, and then you went back and did minus the 9. And minusing the 9.
No, we already minus the 9. We're in the process of minusing the 9. That's why this is on one line.
Oh, yes. Oh, I'm
Don't
doing
do
the
it
second
twice. You're doing it twice.
part.
So when you're looking at it, right, we do the 2, we take away the 2. Okay, we're done.
Yeah.
Now we're going to do this. Plus the 1 minus the 10. Plus the 1 minus the 10. Minus the 10 is minus the 5 plus the 4. It's one line.
Okay.
Yeah, this was only to show the commutative property. This is to show what the process I did.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, that makes sense.
So then for this one, there was no 2-step. So if I had 96 on the abacus, I take away 5 and I take away the 8. I just wrote it both ways, either plus the 2 minus the 10 or minus the 10 plus the 2, whichever one you want to use.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So we minus the 10 plus the 2. There's no 2-step in this one.
No, there isn't.
No. So then my answer is 38.
38. Okay.
So then I have my next one, which is 80. 80 on the abacus.
Mm-hmm.
Take away 4. Minus the 5
Minus
plus the
5
1.
plus the 1. Yep.
Yep. And
now
then
we subtract the 7.
right. So subtract the 7 is either plus the 3
Plus
minus
the 3
the 10.
minus the 10.
Uh-huh. So answer is 33.
Okay, okay. Yep.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
We have 65 on the abacus.
Mm-hmm.
Take away 2 over here.
Yep, you can't take away 2.
So what do you do?
Minus the 5 plus the 3.
Yep. And then we minus the 3 here. Can't do it.
3.
Yeah. So minus the 5 plus the 2.
Uh-huh.
Right? So that gives me 42. And then I was about to actually get rid of all my pages. And I'm like, yeah, maybe we talk about it. So we have 84 on the abacus. Take away 30. Easy.
You can take away 30.
Take away 5. This is the 2-step.
Oh, yeah, you can't take away 5.
No. So what do you do?
You have to minus the 10 plus the 5.
Okay, so let's plus the 5 first. And then minus the 10.
Okay.
So plus the 5, and I want to take away the 10.
And you can't take away the 10.
No. What do I do?
Minus the 5 plus the 4.
If I want to take away 1, it's minus the 5 plus the 4. Yep.
Yeah.
So I think drawing a link of these two, then you know you've done this one whole line.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
That's how they're linked.
Okay. Yeah, because the net minus 10 is the same as the minus the 1.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Minus the 10 is the same as, yes, minus the 1.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
Okay. So then the next one was a good one, which was add all of the odd numbers.
Yep.
How did you
that as one of his his trophy questions, but he didn't get the abacus out at all.
Uh-huh.
And he just played guessing games. He was just guessing. But the thing is that they had the
What? Are you laughing?
Yes, I am.
Wait.
Because you were
I
guessing
heard
it.
Lynette laughing also.
Yep.
Because I laugh all the time.
There was a box. It's like a perfect square to do the 100.
Yeah.
And I think in some ways it was basically.
Mom, where's the honey?
I don't know.
Where's the honey?
It's in the cupboard.
Where?
So yeah, let me go get that for him.
Where's
but,
the honey?
Okay.
Yeah, we'll have Tam.
So what's
Tammy.
the
so what's
Yeah.
so what's the
so-
last numbers? I'm writing
So-
this down.
The last numbers, these ones
No, the ones you're adding.
right now. So these are all odd numbers. The first odd numbers.
Okay.
So we go all the way to 19.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's 1 to 19, all odd numbers. So
I
we have
write
one.
these problems down.
Yeah. We have 1 on the abacus, and then we're going to add 2. So this is like the sequential book, but instead of doing by ones, we do by 2s. So we add the 3. My answer is 4. Right? I add the 5. My answer is 9.
It's 9.
Yeah. And then I add
Yeah.
the 7. Can't do it. What do I do?
So you gotta add the 10 and take away 3.
Add the 10, take away the 3. Yep. And
So that
then
gives us 11. And then
does
we
it?
want to.
No, it doesn't.
No, it doesn't. I'm just.
Checking if
It
I'm
gives
paying
us
attention.
16. It gives us
Gives us
16.
So then we
I
add,
have it on my abacus. I don't have it on the paper.
we have 9. How do you add
So-
9 here?
Add 10 minus 1.
Yep. Answer
And that
is,
gives us 25.
thank you. Add 11.
So we're going to add a 10 and add a 1, and that gives us 36.
Yep. And then we have 13. Add 13. Add the 1. Add the 3.
Add the 1 and the 3, and that gives
Yep.
us 49.
Yes, 49. We add 15. Add the 5. Add the 1. Add
So
the
that's-
5.
Okay, so we're gonna
How do you
take
plus the 5?
We're gonna add the 5 minus the 4.
Yep.
And
And
we're
then
gonna
plus the
add,
5. Yes? Say it.
but then we gotta add a 10 and take away the 5.
Add the 10, take away the 5. Answer?
Okay. That would give us 64.
Add 17. Add the 1.
Add the 1, take
Add
away
the 7.
3.
Nope. Add the 7.
Oh, add the 7. Hang on. All right, so then that means we gotta hang on. Hold on. Okay, I had
Go back.
64.
64, we're adding 17.
All right. Well, I had to reset my abacus. So now I'm adding the 1. And
To
now,
what? 64?
yeah, because that's the 10 of the 17.
Yes. So add this. Yeah. Add the 10, add the 1, and then add the 7.
Okay, so we're going to add the 5 and take away 2.
What? No. Add
No,
7.
so let's add another 10 and take away 3.
Yep. Plus the 10 minus the 3. And then we add 19. Add the 10.
Oh shoot, I messed up.
And add the 10 and minus the 1.
No. Add the 10. Then we want to plus the 9. Plus the 9.
Good God Almighty.
I messed up.
That's okay. We're going to do it again.
I was doing so well. So I got to the end.
Yep.
It's
So let's
Yeah.
start from the top. Let's start from the top.
okay. We'll start at the top.
1,
What?
1 and then 3
3. And then 5.
and then 5, and then that gives us 9.
Okay. So Alyssa, we're going to add 7. How do you add 7?
Plus the 10 minus the 3.
Thank you. Our answer is,
16.
thank you. Tammy, plus the 9,
All right, so then we want to add plus the 10 minus the 1.
answer.
That gives us 25.
Alyssa,
1, 1.
yep. Adding 11. Tammy,
Oh, that was
All right.
36. Okay, good.
All right, so now we want to add 1 and add 3.
good,
So that gives 49.
good. Okay, Alyssa, your turn.
So we're adding the 15.
Yes,
Okay, so we want to add the 5. We can't add the
nope,
5.
nope, nope. We're going to first the 1.
We're gonna
Add the 10.
1.
How do you
Okay.
add the 10?
Plus the 1 is plus the 5 minus the 4.
Good. And then we want to plus the 5.
Then we want to plus the 5. So you want to minus the 5
Yes,
and plus the 1.
plus the 10. Thank you.
Plus the 10. So that gives you 64.
Good.
And
Tammy,
then this is where I got in trouble. Okay,
we're adding what? What are we adding?
we're going to add 17. So we're going to add the first 10,
Good.
and then we got to add another 10 and minus the 3.
Plus the 10
Good.
minus the 3. Answer?
Okay, that gives me, looks like 81.
Alyssa, you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh no.
We're at 19.
Yes. So we're going to add the 1.
Add the 1.
And
Now we
then
add the
we're
9.
we minus the 1.
Okay.
No.
Minus the 1 plus the 10.
Oh,
Sorry.
plus the 10. Okay. So
How do
we
you?
can't-
Yep.
You can't plus the 10. So plus the 10 is
Wait.
plus.
How do you
Plus the 10
1?
minus the
How
9.
do you? Yeah. Plus the 10 minus the 9.
Minus the 9.
Yep.
That gives
And your
you
answer is?
100.
Yep.
So what if we went backwards from 100 and subtracted?
100.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what are we doing?
We're
gonna
having
subtract-
100 and we're going to subtract 19. Hold on. Let me get a.
Oh dear.
Okay. Take away 1. How do we take away 1?
That's going to be minus 1 equals minus 10 plus 9.
Minus 10 plus 9. And then minus 9.
And then that's going to be minus 10 plus 9. No, plus 1. So that should be 81.
Yep.
Oh, go back to that one part.
That's it.
So I added the 9, but then
We're not adding 9. We're taking away.
we're taking away. Okay. Oh, fiddlesticks.
Wait.
Okay.
Oh,
Terry,
I see. I see.
Because-
Yeah.
Because you have to minus you
No,
minus.
you're overthinking.
Remember,
We're only here.
I go from the left to the right, but you always go from the right to the left.
Do
And that's
this
what
one first. You're overthinking. Minus 1 is what? Minus 1 is equal to minus the 10 plus the 9.
Yeah,
That's
I
all we're
did.
doing.
Yeah, I minus, and then I have the plus the 9,
Nope.
And-
Then you plus the 9 and then what?
and then after that you have to
Take away the 9.
take away the 9
What's minus 9?
minus the 10 plus the 1.
Yeah. Minus the
So-
10 plus the 1.
There you go. Now I got 81. I'm like, holy cow. Maybe it's because you had to go over it in the hundreds place, and then you had to put the 9 in there, and then you subtract the 10 from the 9, and then you add the 1. So yeah, that was a little brain teaser trying to remember that. I don't know why.
But see,
No.
now I'm working more from my abacus now, and so that I see it like that. Now I still got stuck on going from 17 and 19. Don't get me wrong.
No, we get confused here because they're related. So you think you
Mhm.
added the 9, but then you're actually going to minus the 9 on a different time. So we have to section our thinking for each column. So this was only for the tens column. This was only for the ones column.
Once.
Your brain was linking these two as it being one. It's not. These are two different numbers.
Yeah, it took me a second for that last answer. I'm like, yeah. No, it's one.
Does that make sense, Alyssa?
Huh?
Your brain was thinking that this 9 and this 9 was the same 9, but they're not. They're different
Why are they not the same?
because it's this 9 and this 9.
Yeah, because the 9, because you're creating the 9 from the 100, because you're subtracting 10. And you have,
Yes.
so that.
Yes.
So how do you make sure that you're, because before you had just zeros, right? And now you have to put 90 on there somehow because you're only subtracting 10. So how do you differentiate?
One step at a time,
Okay.
right? So we had 100.
Because all I'm focusing on are the numbers at the bottom.
Only look at one number at a time.
That too.
I'm only looking at this.
Okay.
I need to take away the 1. Minus 1 is equal to minus the 10 plus the 9. Minus the 10
Well, and then
plus the
and
9.
the other thing is that when you look at the 100, you actually what you're doing is going 10 minus 1.
Exactly. That's all you're doing.
That's what I'm doing. I'm doing 10
Yes.
minus.
But here, because you added the 9, and then we got to take away the 9.
You have to take away the 9 in the 1's place. So the 9,
Yes.
the 9, which is the 90, still remains because you have to subtract 9, and you don't have enough beads in the 1's place to do that. So you have to subtract a 10. You have to subtract 1 in the 10's place, and then you add 1 for because of the
1's
plus
place.
1 in
Yeah.
the 1's place.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, my brain. Okay, yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Take it slower. Break it up. Because sometimes it's too much information,
Ooh,
right?
yeah.
Sometimes it's too much information. That's why I have the isolator and just isolate the one number you're working on. You're only going to use any 2 columns at any given time.
Mm-hmm. This is a lot harder to go once you create the 100, then you're subtracting. I think right now it's going to be a little bit easier to subtract 17 because then you don't have to worry about that hundreds place anymore.
Could be. It could be.
Could be or could be not. Okay, so minus 17.
I don't. Yeah. So Alyssa, we take away the 1, right, from the 17. Yep. And then what do we do? Minus the 7. How do we minus the 7?
I don't have enough beads to minus 7, so I have to minus the 10 plus the 3.
Okay, so we minus the 10 and we plus the 3.
And plus the 3. So that
Answer?
gives you 64.
Good. So then we take away 15. Tammy?
All right. We're going to take away the 1.
Yep.
And then we're going to add the 5.
Take away the 5.
Yeah.
How do you minus the 5? How do you minus the 5?
So then you take away 5. That's add. No, it's 5. It's minus 5 equals negative minus 10 plus. Why am I making this so hard?
Take it slow. What is, minus 5. We're still at minus 5. We want to take away 5. What's the formula to minus the 5?
Minus 5 equals -5 plus 1.
No,
No, that's not
minus
right.
5 is equal to minus the 10 plus the 1. That's
Plus
how we
the one
minus
or
the 5.
plus the 5?
Plus the 5. I'm sorry, plus the 5. Minus the 5 is equal to minus the 10 plus 5.
Mhm.
Okay. So let's do it the other way. Let's say minus 5 is equal to plus 5 minus 10. So let's plus the 5 so we don't forget. And we need to plus the 10, minus the 10, minus the 10, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. How do we take away 1 here?
So we take a 1. Oh, okay. Okay. Equals
How do we take away 1?
from there is 10 plus 9.
Mm,
No, take
No.
away 1 from here. Can
Why
we
is
use
my
the 5?
mind blank all of a sudden?
It's okay. You're live. That's why. Because we're going to minus the 5. Can you take away the 5 here?
Yes, you can take away the 5 and add 4.
Yes. So you minus the 5 plus the 4. Minus the 5
That's
plus the 4.
okay. There's
That's it.
what I was trying to do in my brain.
Yep. So our answer becomes 49.
49, which, by the way, is sitting on my abacus right now.
Which is good. We just have to figure out how to verbalize it.
Yes.
Verbalizing is always a difficult thing.
Yeah.
I moved my abacus. I'm just going to show y'all. It's sitting right here on my abacus.
Mhm.
Good Lord.
Okay. Alyssa, we take away 13. How do we do it?
Okay. So you take away the 1 and from the 4, and you take away the 3 from the 3, and so you get 36.
Okay, good. That's
Okay,
really
that was
easy.
cheating.
We should give that to Tammy. She got to, sir.
Cheating.
So
Okay,
36
That's
the
is
next
simple
one.
math.
Start
That's the
next
simple math.
one.
now you guys are so
This
it's so
one I'm
funny.
cheating also, but anyway, it's 25.
Yeah, so we
You're
take away
taking
1,
away
we take
1
away
from
1.
both columns.
Yep. 25. Okay, what are we doing? We take away the 9. What are we doing?
Yes.
25 minus 9
Yep.
is minus the 10 plus the 1.
Minus
So
the 10 plus
plus
the 1.
1.
Okay.
That gives
Answer?
you 16.
Good. 7 minus 7.
Alrighty, we're going to take away the 10 and add the 3, and that's going to give us. What's that? No, that's not right.
Yes, it is. Minus the 10 plus the 3. You're right.
So why do I have 9?
Because you're supposed to have 9.
It just didn't look right.
We're going to take away the 5.
All right. We're going to take. Yes.
Take away the 5, take away the 3, and take away the 1.
Yes.
I'm not going to give you guys those easy ones. It's too easy for
No.
you.
Oh, good Lord, my brain just died on me all of a sudden.
That was a
it
good
on my abacus.
exercise.
Maybe
Oh my
maybe
God,
I will
yes.
create. Maybe I'll create another book that says sequential by 2s. We go up 2 and down 2.
Might need to.
Yep, that would be like book number 2, and then book 3 will be add 3, take away 3.
'Cause
Maybe I'll just do a whole line.
Oh my god.
Because I was doing so good until I was going backwards and up, and I got to that one point, and I'm like, but the thing is, I had it on my abacus, so tell me why I can't tell you what I did.
Language and math processing are 2 different forms in the head. That's why.
I agree.
Yep.
After that, I fully do agree.
That's why I've been trying to get my mom. So for those of you that are interested, for those of you that don't know, I started to create a book. This is my book for my mom. And so what I did is these are all simples. We talked about that. but I actually
Yes.
added a little bit more. I don't know if I told you that I added a a journaling section.
No, I don't believe I've heard that part.
Okay, so let me and I do like it. I think I am going to publish it today so then I can get that out the door and then still work on the others that I have, my other irons in the fire.
Yeah, you have so many.
So
keep track.
write it all down. I usually am. So no, I try to complete one book before I start doing the others. Like I kind of trickle through the division one because I do the division. I kind of sit around and formulate what I'm going to do for the minus two-step equation, which is I know that is coming down the pipeline. So
Yeah.
but I'm excited for division. It just takes time. So what I did here was again just understanding this is just how the beginning of adding and subtracting, right?
Right.
This is the place values, this is the numbers. This is fine. So then what I did is I actually added, you know how there's the blank spot in my maze books? I decided to use that as a writing area.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
And I put
love
a
it.
little prompt. Thank you. I put a little prompt saying, what is something small that you bought today that brought you joy today? And then I want you to write the date for both sides because I don't know if you're going to do one side and another day. So every page has a date. So write the date. And then I also in the mazes, I give you a space to write the question and then to write the answer. So there's a lot more writing
Cool.
involved.
Yeah. Yeah, I see that. I like that.
Yeah. So I think what I'm going to do when I have time, I'll update the other books to have time to have spaces for you to put the answers. But I'm trying to add
You
more
know what
writing.
my question is going to be?
What's that?
When do you have time?
So this is the whole book. This whole book is only simple, but I geared this my thought process for this one was meant for seniors. It'd be great for kids or whatever. It's up to you. But I give you options to write your own thoughts because I was told as seniors and as we get older, if we actually started writing down our thoughts, we keep our brain active. And so I wanted to make sure it's written down as opposed to typed out. Because the eye-hand coordination, and the next thing they say is also if you do the cursive writing is even better. So that would be added to the thing where it should be cursive writing. So cursive write your thoughts. Maybe what I should,
because that kind of thing depends on my mom's mood if she's going to print or if she's going to cursive.
always go cursive writing. That's what I've been told.
Yeah.
So I was going to add in maybe in the beginning of the book, I'll add in like a cursive writing practice sheet. So then they can practice their cursive writing and then start doing this part here. Because it's different tracing than it is to write.
Well, let me know when it's ready.
Oh, okay. You like that?
Yeah, because my mom and I are not quite there, but I want it for when we are.
Okay. She doesn't like wait. She didn't do the 2-digit mazes, did she?
No, not yet.
Okay.
But she loves the color.
Okay.
And if I can throw this as an activity when we get to that point.
Okay.
Especially when these are as colorful as they are.
Yeah.
It'll just be an activity to be working with her.
Yeah, exactly. And so my mom is already in 3 digits and I want to get her to start thinking about adding and subtracting. So that's why I made this book. So this is not necessarily for the kids, but it can be.
It can be. Especially with beginning writing and stuff like that. Because I got hold on, I'll get it.
Yeah.
But when it's ready to order, let me know because I will order it.
Okay.
I will be getting to this stage at some point with her and I will need an activity to work with her.
Yeah.
Because she's right here.
Yeah.
So,
yeah. And so when I'm not gonna update the books that I have now. I'm just gonna keep moving on forward. I'm just gonna keep moving on forward. So
Yeah.
as I and it's so funny, as I implement and as I publish new books, I'm on book number 20. Did I show you? Did I show you my little
Which one is 20? Which one is 20?
hold on.
Okay.
Oh, I get to see my real mess. Okay.
It's
Um,
okay, sweetie. It's just us.
Oh, I know.
Oh yeah, nice big
Oh,
life
I
journal.
like that.
Okay, what it is, it's a big life journal for kids. And Abram's kind of like at the beginning stages of writing. And so it just talks about like how I feel, your emotions. And then today I learned, and today I helped someone. I did my best. I spent time reading. I cheered someone up. I spent time outside. And so by having that journal there, by writing your thoughts,
Yeah.
first of all, it brings back memories,
Yes.
especially, when you're older.
Yes.
And the fact that you can draw, because
Yes.
I mean, just like it took a skill to start at the very beginning and learning how to write. It takes a skill to keep that up and to remember. And
Yes.
so it just really depends on where we're at. And then this one, I haven't started it with him, but you can do hard things. Think of a story character from a favorite book or a movie and write the character's name below. And think of a time when the character believed in themselves.
Yeah.
So just little. So I like your idea with the math.
Yeah.
And then the fact that you have drawing, because maybe I mean Abram doesn't really like writing that much, and so he would probably draw. So I think it's a good. I think the fact that it could be for your mom and it can be for those that are younger too. So I think that's awesome. It's just your creativity and being able to
Yes.
think outside the box.
Yes.
And so I think that's awesome. So
Oh,
cool.
thank you. Thank you. Yeah. I was just thinking, like, how else can I improve? Because obviously, I didn't want it to be like every other math book. I didn't want it to just be straight math. I want it to be interactive. And what's the goal? And the goal is to, provide cognitive skill, So,
Yeah. Well, I'm just looking toward the future.
Honey.
yeah.
At
Yeah.
things that are at
Hi,
things that
Abram. Hello,
hey,
Abram.
things that could possibly help. I don't know if they're going to be workable or not, but if I've got them on hand, I can try.
Yeah, exactly. And
And
so
I'm
that
not
was,
just scattering trying to find something.
yeah. I've been intentional with my books, just as I am intentional with the multiplication book.
Oh my God, I am. I this past week each book has had um I've been working on each book, and yesterday I sat here with my crayons and I do the abacus, figuring the problems out, and I color the thing, the color the path that it needed, and I'm just sitting here in heaven and going do 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 do.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm in heaven. So today's book is this one.
Nice.
So, and I haven't ignored it. It's just today's book is this one. So, but and it's going just as well as the others. I have an ink pen and my
Nice.
abacus. I find a couple times I have gotten stuck this morning and I've had to write the problem out, but I'm still not having to write the formulas. I just like as soon as I see the formula, I'm like, oh, I mean the problem. I'm like, okay, I can do that.
Yeah.
So I have to see the problem in some instances,
Yeah.
and in some
Yeah.
I don't,
Hmm.
and I love it. Now we don't see what happens when the answer disappears.
Yes. Yes. It's
And
incremental.
when we get to that point, I will be switching to a pencil because I know somewhere along the line I'm going to mess up.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I love it. I love having the books to work on.
Thank you. Thank you.
But yesterday was multiplication, and I was having a blast.
You know, funniest thing, people actually mentioned that they have to slow themselves down from working through my books because if they go through it too fast, then they have nothing else to work on.
Oh well, yeah. And now, mind you, I'm only doing like 3 pages a day. I'm not zooming through the book because then I'm back in my problem that I have nothing to work on.
I mean, that's the funniest part. Yeah, that was one of the comments that I got was the problem with my books is that it's not long enough. And I'm like, okay.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah, well, because you get on a roll.
A rhythm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
a rhythm. And you're like, okay, this, that, this, that. And and it's just like, okay, you got limit 3 pages. That's it. And Lord help me if I'm in a 2-step book. Because it's got the mazes, it's got the mosaic, the
Yes.
color pictures.
Yes.
Oh, and Alyssa, the last color picture I had to do, I had a cactus, and because I get the colors out beforehand.
Sure.
My cactus was orange.
Sure. It
Okay,
was funny. It was so funny.
it was an
But and that's
orange.
the point.
Oh, that's the
That's
wrong
what
one.
that's what I
Oh,
like.
that's
I like the spontaneity, but I also like the let's see what happens when we put this all together.
I have an orange cactus and a purple sun.
Yeah.
I
Oh.
didn't notice that till just now.
Yeah.
Oh, because you chose your colors beforehand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes
At
it much
least
more.
well, I was gonna say at least the answers are all correct, all grouped together.
Yes.
Mm.
And and then the 6-digit ones, I have to be very careful because I could get to this book so fast it'd be done in
Yeah.
a matter of like a day, 2 days. And I'm like, yeah,
Yeah.
no. So I have to be very careful with that book. But I limit myself no more than 3 pages a day. And I make my goal self go like every other day.
Yeah.
Because I will go through this book because you're one person and you're trying to do the books for your kids. And then you've got us adults that came in when you were not expecting us. And then now you're trying to make books that will help your mom. And then inadvertently it helps me that's going to eventually going to help my mom. You
Yes.
know.
Yes. Yes.
So, at some point in the near future it's going to help my mom. She just doesn't know it yet. So
She doesn't know yet.
That's
I love
funny.
it. I love
so I make myself do like two, 3 pages, and that 6-digit book just killing me because I want to just go, 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 go. Because for that I don't even need the abacus for it because I
Yeah.
just color the beads based on the
Yep.
number.
Yep.
So that one I don't even need the abacus for. And honestly, when I'm doing the homework, I have my bigger abacuses out because the
Yeah.
beads are bigger.
Uh-huh.
Now, when we're here, of course, I have this because I'm using the same thing y'all are using.
Mhm.
Oh, did you notice yesterday when I was on your live and I told you all I was going to do was listen?
Yes.
Did you see what happened when I started putting the numbers out there? Because
Oh
I was
yeah, that's
just
right.
listening.
Yeah, yeah,
I was
yeah. And
I
people were
was
competing
sorting.
with you.
Yeah, I was sorting my pills and I was just going to listen. It
Yeah.
was my pill day. I do it every 2 weeks. And nobody was answering you.
Yeah, yeah.
And so I'm like, you know what? I'm done with my pills. And I started answering. And then they
Yeah.
started picking. I was dying laughing over here. I finally stopped so they would start doing it again.
Yeah, yeah. It's funny. It's funny when the new people come in it's just always funny when new people come in. But and I feel sad about the older people that come in, and I appreciate Tammy coming in and the other people coming in. But I mean that's why I have membership. That's why we talk. That's why we talk more about like what's going on here with the questions that you have. Oh
Yeah, but the
yeah,
older ones, we know what's going on in life, so we like coming by.
yeah, exactly. I appreciate everybody's patience and so forth.
Now, if I have a project going on and I'll just pick, and if I know you're on, I'll just turn you on and go, hiya. I may stay, I may not. I don't know. Just depends on my mood that morning. But I if I'm in a kind of a bit of a mood, I'll come on there to see what everybody's doing. And if they're not answering you, then I'll just start answering you. And then and they can't stand that.
No, they start competing, and I'm like, oh, okay,
Which I think is funny. And once they're
yeah,
all start answering, then I come back to the background. 'Cause now they're competing against each other.
yeah, that's true.
That's the only
That's true.
reason I do it. But I even told you I was just going to listen, and they weren't playing right, so I got in there.
Yeah.
But
Do we want to talk a little bit about multiplication?
sure, if you want to,
Yes, I would love to do multiplication.
I can't wait. I can't wait till you get like double digits multiplying. That'll slow me down.
So I don't think so. I think because the concepts, yeah, I don't think it's going to slow you down because multiplication actually is not what's going to slow you down. I think what's going to slow you down would be division.
Oh well, you know that's going to.
Yeah, division will
It-
slow down, but
Well,
multiplication is really easy.
it's like with the adding and subtraction. All of a sudden we're adding and then we're subtracting, and then it's like my brain goes, "Hmm?
Yep. Yeah.
What are you?" Yeah, we just saw. Um, yeah, yes, the division being divided by one number, I'm okay.
Yes.
But as you have seen, and I have practiced, and I am still kicking my butt. It is still kicking my butt. I am just not there for more than one digit divisor.
Which is fine. I mean, we got to take
I'm
it
not
slow.
there.
Yeah.
Yes.
So did we do this already, or did we want to go into I don't know, 3 times table or 4 times table?
That's where I stopped.
Okay,
Where it was-
Alyssa,
Oh yeah, we can do that.
What,
Oh
3
no,
times
I'm up to I'm up to the 9 times tables, and
Yeah.
the upper numbers for some reason 9 and 8 have toward the end of the multiplication yesterday was giving me fits, so I stopped.
Yeah. Which is interesting. I mean, I think that's why I like the way it's organized because then
Yes.
you're in one section. So how many digits? So we'll do 797 times that by 3. What is our significant figures? How big will our
4.
answer be? It'll be 4.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. So we counted the amount of digits that we had in our question. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the abacus, we'll be in the thousands column. We have our ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we counted 1, 2, 3, 4. So then we're going to multiply it out. We're going to do distributive property. What is the first set of multiplication facts that we're going to do?
3 times 7.
3 times 7. So we do 3 times 7 is equal to what?
21.
21. So we had the 2, we had the 1. Now, before we go forward, also realize that we're doing 700 times that by 3.
Yes.
So keep that in mind. Don't forget that we're going to do 700 times 3. So on piece of paper, when we write it out, we know that our answer is 2,100.
Yes.
So then we go to the next one over, right? Because we ended up at the 21. We're at here. We're at the
Yes.
hundreds. Okay, Alyssa, what's our next set of numbers that we're going to multiply?
3 times 9.
Yes. So 3 times 9. 3
is
times 9 is what?
27.
27. So we have 27. Now, what is the what are we actually multiplying? Don't forget, we're actually multiplying 3 times 90,
90. Yeah.
right? So we have 270. We add the 2 and then we add the 7, right? That's how you get 270.
Mhm.
So then we have our
207
next, yeah. So we added 200, we added 70,
Yeah. Hmm.
right? So then what's our final multiplication factor we're going to do?
7 times 3,
Again, so 7 times 3 is equal to
21.
21. So we add the 2 and we add the 1.
Yes.
So our final answer becomes
2,391.
Hmm.
yes. Yes. That's it right there.
Oh, you have a little. What do you have over it?
Tape.
No, you have. Is there plastic over it, and that's where you're able to subtract or erase it?
You mean erase it? Yeah, I have tape over it. I put packaging tape over my stuff so I can use it and reuse it.
Packaging.
Yeah.
It works.
Yeah, packaging tape. See? Do you see the glare?
I never thought of that. How do you put it
Yeah.
on there and make it smooth?
Very carefully.
Packaging tape that's just how packaging tape is.
Yeah. Very
And
carefully.
you don't rip your paper either?
You take it in small sections. Take it in small sections. So I'll take a small section like this and I'll slowly paste it through.
How creative. Okay. So do you do that with all your pages?
For most of them, yes. For the ones I know that I'm going to be talking a lot, I do. And I realized I got to do it for the whole page because I did parts of it and I'm like, it gets dirty. So hold on, let me. And then what I don't like is I don't like these little what do you call it? Edges.
Yeah.
So what I'll do is I will tape over it so it's smoother. Because if you notice the marker, the ink is starting to catch on the edges. So now I can do that.
Oh, you just put another piece over it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now I can do this and I don't have the edges picking it up. So I can just erase it. But it does get dirty. So my one book, where is it? Oh, here. So I've been using this book for what, a year now? And if you notice, I only did part of it, it gets dirty. Now it's time to get a new book, right?
Well, before you get a new book, get something like this
Yeah.
and wipe this. They're wipes. And wipe
Yeah.
over the pages first. You might find that they clear it up. You don't have to do the book.
Well, I do need to get a new book because it is getting a little ratty.
Oh, well, no, I can help you
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. I mean, like the pages and stuff. And so like even I didn't tape this side, so it's a little, you could see all the darkness on it. And I don't do this much, so you could tell. So because this is not where I teach. I teach mostly in the front part, and that's what gets dirty.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah. So everywhere, yeah. Instead of always new, because that would be a lot of books to go through if I kept using a brand new book for all my lives.
I was wondering.
Yeah. So yeah, I do it for even the adult book. So all of this is all yeah, they're all
Okay.
taped.
Oh, wow.
But yeah, people have asked me. I'm like, I just tape it. There is a laminating page you can put over it, but I got packaging tape, so I'm just going to use packaging tape.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I like
So-
that.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
So there you are. There's my little secret.
Oh, yeah, but yeah, I would have never known. I would have never known. So.
You caught her off guard, Lynette.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people have asked me about that. It's like that's because funny. They want to keep the pages.
Yeah.
they did it and they're like, I want to do it again. I'm like, oh, okay. So I tell them that what I do is I put packaging tape over it. One, it's cheaper to put packaging tape, but two, it's just it just takes more time, I guess, to put because the laminating paper, I don't know if it's a full page. And I don't like lips. I don't want it to go over the page. I don't know if it's exactly this, and then I don't want to have to cut it. I don't know. So,
Mm.
anyways.
But you could always take one book out
Yeah.
of all of it, and then they just go laminate it for you and bind it for you, and all you have is just one out of all. I don't know how much that would cost, but yeah, and it's
Oh yeah. Like take it apart and print
Yeah.
it and then just have it all laminated. I could do that too.
Yep.
I could do that too. I could do that too, but I don't because I want to show the product.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Makes
she's got to
sense.
sell it.
Yep.
She's got to sell it.
Yeah. So there's methods to my madness. But
Okay.
it took a lot of time to get to this part though.
Yeah, I would say.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah.
I have to order that yet. I haven't really ordered that yet for
For you?
So,
Well,
no, I
yeah.
haven't. Yeah, not yet.
No, is it for you or for Abram?
Oh, it would probably be for me, because he's doing skip counting right now, which is multiplication.
Yeah.
So
Oh yeah, that's right. Because I was going to update. I still haven't done it yet, but I was going to put in uh multiplication for the 3 times table. I've been listening, I really do enjoy the Spotify. I don't know if you've been listening to Spotify, but it's been pretty good. I've been listening and it was like, oh yeah, I was supposed to do a few things.
yeah, I
So
started to watch the reading thing, but so yeah, I
oh
don't.
yeah, the truth about reading.
Yeah, started.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I've started doing that, a little bit of that. The Spotify, don't you have to have the app for that?
Yes, I do have the app for that. I just
Okay.
downloaded it and if you wanted to keep a playlist, then you sign up, but you don't have to, and you don't have to pay for it.
Okay.
I didn't pay for my Spotify, so
I was gonna say I have an account there and I haven't paid anything for it yet.
yeah. You only pay if you don't want ads, and you pay if you want to create your own playlist. And I'm like, I don't need to create my own playlist. That's too much work. So there was
They're
one more.
assuming I'm gonna be there all day. I'm not.
So there was another question I had that I wanted to talk about is what happens when there are decimals in our multiplication, which we have not done, but I think it'd be good to kind of go through it with it a little bit before, because I've outlined the progression of the multiplication. So my next book is going to be the 2 digits. What is it going to be? It's my next book will be 2 digits, and then my next book, then after that, book 3 will be oh yeah, book 2 will be 2 digits times 2 digits and 3 digits times 3 digits and 3 digits times 3 digits. I think I'm going to keep it as a maze because it's just the easiest and quickest. So then the third book will be 4 digits times 4 digits and all the in-betweens. The fourth book will be decimals. And that's when I'm going to start explaining how to do decimals. So the situation is, if I had, let's do something easy, like 25 times that by 0, 1. Now we still count this 1, 2, and there's nothing here.
Okay.
Okay. So what is our place value? 2, right?
Yes.
So we still do distributive property. 2 times 1 is equal to 0, 2. 0, 2. Add the 2 here. 1 times 5 is equal to 0,
0.5.
5. So our answer is what?
2.5.
2.5. 2.5 is our answer. That's it. That is part of the decimal.
Oh, okay.
Now, what happens when there's more decimals? Okay. We have to start thinking about it as a number line. The number line, we know. This is 0. This is 1, 2, 3. We know that, right?
Yeah.
The number line has a 0 and like this. So what's going to happen is when I line up my abacus, this is 1. I'm going to use this as my ones place. I'm not going to be here. I'm going to be over here, right? So my ones, 0, 1, 0. So this is 2, 1, 2. This would be 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Does that make sense? So this is a number line.
I would have thought the place right just past the decimal point would be the 1,
We're
the
labeling.
-1.
We're labeling. Oh yeah, would it be -1? It could be. It could be. I'm still playing
Okay.
around with it, but I like the 0 in the middle. I don't know. I like to be anchored with the 0 in the middle, but it could be -1. -1, -2, -3, -4. But the question is now what? The question is 99 times that by 0.0001.
I didn't know. Right now.
So we have 2 here.
Okay.
I
Which
was
is
thinking
here?
counting the zeros. There's 3 zeros. So -3 is equal to -1. How do we get that? So we're doing 2 minus 3 equals to -1. Right? That's what we're doing.
Honestly, if you're doing it mathematically, you're going to come up with -2. So it's going to be 2 parts, 2 places.
Why would it be
past the
-2?
decimal.
Why
Because
would it
this
be
is -4. This is going to be basically -4, and you got a +2. So then that's like
How do you get -4?
-4. Well, I'm looking at, okay, you got 3 digits. Well,
We're
actually, you
only
got
counting
4
the
digits.
zeros. No. You know what? I decided to count the zeros because if we did this, I don't want to count more.
Okay.
That's why I counted only to the 0.
Okay.
That's why it's -3. Because there's 3 of them and we're going to take it away. Okay.
Okay.
So then that means we're going to be 0. We're going to be 1, 0, -1. We're going to sit here.
Okay.
1 times 9 is equal to 0, 9. 0, 9. And then we do again. 0, 9. So our answer becomes what? 0.0099.
Okay.
Yeah. Somebody asked me, why don't I count the 1? I don't count the 1 because I only want to count the leading zeros. Because if I count the 1, then if the number gets bigger, then that means I'm going to count the rest of the numbers. That's not how it works. Because what's the difference between the leading zeros and is the difference of the decimal? The decimal doesn't move with other numbers. It only moves with the leading zeros. So if I
Okay.
did, right? So if I did 0.123, it's different than 0.0123. That zero pushes the numbers over. That's why you count
Yes.
the zero.
Okay.
Okay. That's the
Okay.
logic.
That makes more sense.
That's the logic I have. I was thinking about it and I was like, that's the reason why, because it's the zero that pushes everything. Zero pushes everything. It's a big bully.
Okay.
That's it. That's
So
all about
so
the
in this
decimals.
instance, we wouldn't even be counting the 2 digits over there. It's honestly we're counting just the 3 zeros.
Exactly. See,
Okay.
now the question is what happens if it was zero, it was 99 times that by 3.0003. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. I need a bigger abacus. All
Well, yes.
right. So if this is my
Luckily,
ones,
yeah.
yeah. So 1, 2, 3. So it'll be 27, 27, 27, right? Because that's 3.
Yeah.
And then what do? We have to count 1, 2, 3. 0.0 times 9 is 0. 0 is a single digit. Go back. 0 times 9 is 0. 0 goes back. And then do it again. So then we do 3 times 9 is 27. So you add the 2 and then the 7 and then 2 and then 7.
Well, why do I foresee a migraine coming in my future? It makes sense. It does make sense, but I foresee a migraine coming in my future.
You mean overwhelmed?
No, I just see a migraine,
Okay.
but I will be here for that.
Yeah. So our answer is
Yeah, how do you read this answer?
2. Oh, so our answer. Oh, so our answer is my answer is wrong. I have too many extra zeros. How did that work? So 0. So this is here, right? 0 times
Yeah.
1, 0. Oh, because I'm over here. Oh, I did it wrong. I see. So then you still, okay.
Oh, you
So then,
did. You put.
no,
It looks like
yeah.
you did. Yeah.
So we're done with this. We have to recount 1. So then when we recount, we're done with this. So then this is where you still need to do -3. 1, 2, 3. This is -3. And then this is 2. So this is 2. -3 is equal to -1. So I'm over here, -1. So I go 3 times 9 is equal to, yep, that's why, 27. I forgot to do you always have to readjust when you do a new number. You have to recount. So you still need to know this. It's beautiful. Guess what my new book will be?
So 297
Point
0.0297.
Yes.
Oh, it's a mere. Okay,
Yeah. Oh, because it's 3 and 3. That's why
I see.
I did 3 and 3.
Okay. Well, yeah.
101 and 102 and 103? Huh?
Yeah. You're kind
Yeah.
of doing, yep.
That's making sure that you keep the 0 in front of the single digit number.
And just so y'all know, according to my calculator, man-made calculation, she's right.
Oh wow.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, I the decimal just throws me off, and then I kind of shut down.
Yes.
So.
Yes. But it will come through and you are going to know it and you're not going to be afraid of it.
I hope
Coming
so.
down. It's coming down. It's coming down the pipeline, Alyssa.
Well, Tammy was more on board than I was, so.
But did it make sense about counting the zeros?
Yes.
Uh,
For me, yes.
for her, yes. For me, I'm like, I was already on shutdown when you wrote down the problem.
Really?
Yes, I was. It got
Uh,
overwhelming. Yeah,
wants to see the numbers. Well,
yeah.
okay, hold on. But did it get overwhelming when I did this?
No, not
Okay.
that. That was
Yep.
fine.
Okay, good. But see here, you understand the concept,
Yeah, because you
right?
moved the decimal over too.
I did, but I did not. I used the decimal to help me understand where to put the number on the abacus.
I see. That's a little bit different than when we're doing it on paper.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's why we count the zeros, not to move the decimal. We use a logical process when we start figuring out our decimals. So if you notice, there's 2 here and there's 1. There's 0 here,
Uh huh.
right? So that means the placement's only 2, 1, 2. That's why when I work it out, it's still 0, 2. So I put 0, 2 and then 0, 5. That's how we get 2.5.
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
I didn't use a quote unquote shortcut to move the over. What I did is I used the abacus to help me figure out where am I going to put my answer.
So how'd you know to do that?
This is what I've been taught.
Oh. You've already been taught this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's just
21
figuring
years.
out how to put it in the books to teach us.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right.
The way I was taught was not what I'm telling you. The way I was taught was very much memorize this chart and then, but I'm telling you logically.
You're telling
how
the whys of it and how to do it. Okay.
Yes.
And
yes.
why the 0 is useful.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Just
Instead of it just being something you overlook.
just do it. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't overlook it. And then that's the difference between me and the other abacus teachers.
So have the other abacus teachers done decimals, multiplied decimals?
Some of them have.
But not too many, right?
I think if you're certified, you need to. I don't know how many people are certified. I'm not certified, but I know how to do it.
I see. And then, but do a lot of people do multiplying of decimals though?
Well, yeah. When we do, I don't know, money.
When you're doing money.
Yeah,
I
money
guess.
or whatever, or even scientific notation, scientific stuff, you do it with decimals.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Okay.
Just like the big numbers and the small numbers, it all happens with like decimals really doesn't happen until you get into like concepts. If you want to like know what pi is, or if you want to know the circumference of a circle, and is it in basic arithmetic? It's more the advanced, because I think it didn't come around till just recent. Because we didn't start doing place values until recent, right? Until we got to the decimals.
I see.
So, but yeah, I don't know if you watch any other abacus teachers, but they just tell you what to do, but they don't tell you the why.
Okay.
I've been following a few abacus teachers just to see, and it still confirms that I am different than everybody.
Do you think they watch you too?
I know some watches me on my lives. They do come in and we talk, but they already know it, so they might just not know what I'm trying to say, if that makes sense. Like when I watch with a critical eye, saying, okay, how are they teaching and what are they trying to do? I don't know if they say that about me.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
That makes sense.
So,
yeah.
Whereas my goal is to explain because that's my goal. My goal is to explain why and what we do things and how does it relate to mainstream math. because the goal is to get it into mainstream math. I could Abacus World can stay in Abacus World, but it's so much more powerful than just Abacus World. I say Abacus World because we have our own vocabulary. I want it to be more. I want people to know that this is not just for enrichment. This is math.
Yep. This is math.
This is math. But yeah, going back to the logic, that's the reason why we would count the zeros and not the digit.
I see. Okay.
So yeah, and then
and they just like I don't. There was someone that joined the community, and so I just said, hey, because she was looking for something to do to help. I don't know if it was memory or anyway, but I just totally told her about you and and her books, especially her adult book, and so I just commented on it to her. I don't know if she can see my comment or if you can see my but that's what I said to the lady. So
I did not see that.
I
think it's part of the members.
Yeah, the members under their
yeah. No,
Tammy, are you in there? Are you on the community?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I guess what you did is you sent her a chat.
Yeah.
Which is okay. Yeah, I can't see chats. That's between you and Kathy. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Was she the one that was going to try to come on?
Yeah, I sent her the link to the Zoom. I sent her the link to the Zoom.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe she'll.
But I don't. Yeah. Hopefully she will join. We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Oh yeah. So, I see her comment, but I don't see yours. So you chatted with her. Thank you so much, Alyssa.
Yeah. It's part of what the community is, to be able to, be able to tell others that this is a good place, this is safe, and you'll be able to learn a lot from Lynette. So that's what I did. So
yeah, I think the biggest thing is making it safe, because it was so funny. There's this one person, she was like, I've always been scared of math and all this and that. And then we started talking about how, there's the commutative property, right? How we can switch it out. And we learn one way, plus the 10 minus the 3, plus the 10 minus the 4. And then she's like, I need to get out of my comfort zone. And I have to say minus the 4 plus the 10. And I told her, did you realize that you just said that you want to get out of your comfort zone with math? And that just blew her away. Like the fact that she's saying that she's comfortable with math and she's trying to expand. It was really quite amazing how she said it.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought that was really neat.
Yeah.
So all right, but I am gonna have to go. I'm gonna go see my mom.
No, that's awesome.
Next week I may
Yes,
have to leave I may, depending on how long we're going, I may have to leave just a touch early because I have an unavoidable doctor's appointment.
That's fine. Yep. That's fine.
Yep.
Because they tell me this in particular, I said, this is the appointment you have. And I'm going, you got it. We don't argue with him.
Yes. Yeah. Nope. Perfectly understandable.
But I can be here for the majority of it. So.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, when you end, we can end. So that's totally fine too.
Yep.
So.
Sounds
my
good.
thing is I try to make sure I'm here every Thursday that y'all are here.
Mm-hmm.
But this in particular, we don't argue with her.
Don't. We're not here to argue.
This is your appointment, and I'll go, yes, ma'am.
Yep.
It's once a year. I don't argue with her.
Yep. That sounds good. So that's a little bit about decimals.
Yes.
I hope that was.
I can see it stopping me for just a little bit till I figure why I have to do what I have to do. And past that, then I will be good.
Yes. It's an exciting journey. I do appreciate everybody joining and me being part of your journey of Abacus and being more comfortable with math.
I love it.
Thank you.
Thank you, Alyssa. And
Yeah.
I'll see you guys all in my next live. See you next week.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Bye.
Okay,
And
thank you.
and you know me, I'll be lurking around and I'll type in there, and if they're not answering you, I'm gonna start answering.
Sounds good. It's good.
I have to. I got to wake them up.
Yeah.
That's the only reason I do is just to wake them up, and because they can't, nobody can help themselves. They got, oh, somebody knows the answers. We got to catch up.
Yes.
That's the only reason I do it. Is to wake them up. It does.
Yep. Yep. Thank you again.
Yeah,
Have a
thank
good day.